Let me turn from there to our good news today's story. A Hyderabad maths prodigy has emerged as the fastest human calculator in the world and won a gold in the Mental Calculation World Championships at the Mindsport Olympiad in London. Let's look at the story of this incredible man. Take a look.
Give me a two-digit number, I'm going to square it for you. 22, 484, 17, 4900.
How do you do this?
Meets the world's fastest human calculator. Neelkant Bhanuprakash is a human computer. The 20-year-old math prodigy from Hyderabad, a graduate from St. Stephen's College in Delhi, who's won the first ever gold for India in the Mental Calculation World Championship at Mindsports Olympiad in London.
The numbers are 7972 and 8734.
He beats 30 participants from 13 countries to the title.
7,448. I've won the first gold medal for being the fastest human calculator by this competition, Mindsports Olympics, which was held in London. It is the pride that I today hold the records which were once held by math maestros like Scott Flansburgh and our very lovely Shakuntala Devi.
Bhanu Prakash fell in love with numbers at a very young age of 5. That is when he enrolled for an abacus program where he honed his skills and went on to win several titles. Bhanu Prakash now holds 4 world records and 50 Limca Book of Records. He now wants to take away the fear of math from among school kids.
I would like to take this opportunity to tell people that mental calculation as an Olympic sport has been recognized, has been looked into, and the laurel like this which India never had, which I bring home, will only inspire a lot of more people into taking up this sport and eradicating math phobia.
Bhanu Prakash's startup Exploring Infinities or EI is working with the government of Telangana to help students in government schools. His startup has reached out and engaged with 10,000 school kids in the past couple of years.
97, 194, 291, 388, 485, 582, 679, 776, 873, 970, 1067, 1164, 1261, 1358, 1455. Do it, man. 155.
With Ashish in Hyderabad, Bureau Report, India Today.